How will you solve this tetration question if you encounter such an exam? We have A tetration 2 multiplied by B tetration 2 equals to 108. The goal is to find the value of A and B. Okay, to solve this question, recall that if you have X tetration 2, this can be written as what? X raised to the power of X, right? So A tetration 2 can be written as A raised to the power of A. Also, B tetration 2 can be written as B raised to the power of B. Now, I'm going to replace A tetration 2 as A to the power of A and B tetration 2 as B to the power of B. So, the equation becomes A raised to the power of A multiplied by B raised to the power of B equals to 108. Now, you have to be able to think, okay, what numbers in such a way that if we multiply them together, we're going to have 108. And this number, when we raise them to the power of each other, we're going to have the product of the number that we multiply together. What I'm trying to say is that, you know that 108 can be written as 4 times 27, right? Now, 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power of 2. 27 can be written as 3 raised to the power of 3. Now, replace the value of A as 2 raised to the power of 2 and replace the value of B as 3 raised to the power of 3. We're going to have 2 raised to the power of 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power of 3 equals to 108. Is that not it? Yes, it is. Now, if you compare, A is equals to 2 and B equals to 3. Now, this is not the final answer. The answer can also be in this form. We can have A raised to the power of A multiplied by B raised to the power of B equals to 3 raised to the power of 3 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2. Do you understand? So here, A will be equals to what? 3 and B will be equals to 2. So the set of solution for this equation is, these are the set of solution for the equation. The first is 2, 3 and the second is 3, 2. Trust you understand. So if you didn't understand or you want more questions of this kind, you can let me know in the comment section, okay? Before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel, okay? See you in the next class.